Ready to buy, today is your lucky day because we are ready to sell. Enjoy life with low maintenance, highly upgraded current living. Live in the burbs but work or entertain in the city. A commuter's dream location, walk to train. Flying? Gotcha. 6 miles to O'Hare International Airport. 1 mile to downtown Desplaine's. Nested in Chicagoland, center of city to suburbs. Amenities on grounds include gazebo, basketball and bocce for the adults taught in a bark park for the little ones. Second owner benefits are, PRIMO location was hand-selected, end unit south facing the non-refundable contribution to association has already been satisfied, expense of window treatments are eliminated, refrigerator and front load washer and dryer are provided. Aftermarket upgrades that were added but not limited to a showstopper dining room light fixture, custom runner on wood and iron staircase, BALI-THERMAL top-down shades through most of the home, upgraded electric switches and receptacles, garage storage, workbench and keypad entry. Please encourage your buyers to do their first walkthrough using the 3D tour on a computer, using arrow keys, minimize contact. Then, don't hesitate to schedule an appointment and write us an offer. Go west, young man. Please note on navigation there is a Nicholas Drive E and Nicholas Drive West. We are west.